In this short video tutorial, I am going to show you how to request money from someone on Cash App. Cash App is a full-service banking and investing application where you can manage your cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks, paychecks, and more. You can also use the Cash App card to spend your balance, and you can also receive discounts. Now, one of the main features of Cash App is the ability to send and receive money from other people. So, to request money, you will first need the person's name, phone number, or cash tag. To get started, open Cash App on your device. Enter the amount you want to request. For this example, I will enter $5. Then tap the request option at the bottom of the screen. From here, you can add a note explaining what the request is for. Then tap request to continue. You can search for the person by typing their name or entering their cash tag. Their cash tag will always start with a $ followed by their username. Now, your cash tag is your unique Cash App username that other people use to send you money. After selecting the person, tap Request to send it. They will receive a notification asking them to approve the payment. If they accept, the money will be transferred from their Cash App balance or connected payment method directly to your Cash App balance. And that's how you can request money from someone on Cash App. That is all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.